Edinburgh's best-kept secret, why you should restore your Terrazzo floor. Terrazzo is a true classic, but over time, it can lose its luster. Thinking about covering it up or replacing it? Wait, there's a better way. Terrazzo isn't something you throw away, it's something you restore. With expert polishing and grinding, we uncover its original colors and patterns, making it look even better than before. You won't believe the difference until you see it. Let's bring back the beauty of your Terrazzo floor. Give your floors the care they deserve. Call 07533 873 476 or visit our website today.